Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be looking at metamaterials, ticker MMAT. It is down 40% of the day, which is the main reason we're doing the analysis on this, dropping from around 40 cents down, or low 40s, high, down to around 22 cents. So what are key levels? So for this, as always, when we do our technical analysis, we're going to use standard deviation channels. On the left we have a 6-month, on the right we have a 1-year chart. So where did we break out of first? We broke down and kind of cracked below this first deviation. So again, what did we see? We see the break of it, come back to retest it as a resistance. If that holds, expect a trend continuation, which is exactly what we got. We kind of went straight through this 30, but again, you can see you still got that temporary bounce on that level, and then sellers are stepping in more than the buyers, so we crack straight through. So I would be still watching for that retest of $30, so I wouldn't be surprised if we see a bit of a bounce by about 8 cents to 30 cents. And then if it wants to continue the trend again, it needs to hold that level, and then if so, we would expect a move to that next deviation. In this case, it's about a cent. So are we really going to come that low? Probably not. So instead it would just be looking at the psychological levels, so probably 10 and 15 cents as supports if we did continue to trade even lower, because we have basically stopped at the 20-cent psychological level. So yeah, as we have no deviations, it's just paying attention to purely psychological levels on that support side. But really buying it down to these lower sides, you're not really buying off anything apart from the kind of gamble on that it will bounce. So that's the only risk I would have with buying at these lower levels, especially the 15 and the 10, is you just kind of more hoping for a bounce. There's probably not too much shark shot or testing really going into that plan. So again, we did note the 30, we did note the 40. Again, these are going to be acts as resistances now, potentially pullbacks as we come into these levels. So that would be my main focus for now. If for some reason we did get a massive move to the upside, we do have levels at around 70 to 80 cents. This is statistical mean. So the way I always use this level, don't trade within this range, just trade to it. So again, if we were holding this stock long, this would be my absolute final target. It also means that from an investment standpoint, if you were potentially looking to invest in something like metamaterials, which I don't really know why you would want to, if a stock can go from $2 to 20 cents, you can probably continue lower. You'll probably see a reverse stock split in the future, and then it will probably just fall another 90%. It's why I don't touch stocks like this. But if you were looking to invest, it is way below its statistical mean, so it is cheap from an investment standpoint as well. So those would be the key levels. Again, if we did get some sort of squeeze, we're looking at around $1.20, $1.50, $2, and that's an extreme around $2.40. But again, quite unlikely that we're going to these kind of levels, just considering how weak this stock is, and it is at its all-time low. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video.